Look at this guy doing some work. Hi everybody, I'm Charlie with the Recon Shop, and behind me I have another really nice vehicle. This is a 2023 Lexus NX. What is this? This is a 2023 Lexus NX 3. Let me double check on that. This is a 2023 Lexus NX 350h. It's an incredibly nice vehicle, and we're going to be removing this dent with paintless dent repair. This is just a small dent in the passenger front door. It's directly under the handle. It's about an inch, maybe 2 inches across, and we're going to be repairing this using paintless dent repair. Although this door is laminated glass, we are not going to be disassembling anything to remove this dent. Laminated glass is definitely more fragile than tempered glass, but we know it's laminated glass, and we're going to use the proper techniques in order to remove this dent without damaging the glass or without having to do any R&I. A lot of people think that dents just pop out, but even the simplest dents require a lot of skill and patience. There's going to be lots of pushes from the inside and tapping down from the outside to get these dents back to perfect. Well, we're really happy with how the dent came out on this Lexus. We were able to remove this dent using paintless dent repair while the customer's waiting up front. If you have damage like this and would like to find out if it's a candidate for paintless dent repair, get in touch with us at www.thereconshop.com or give us a call at 512-290-HAIL. That's 512-290-4245. Or we're conveniently located here at 201 Industrial Boulevard here in Cedar Park. Check us out online, give us a call, or stop on by. I'm Charlie with the Recon Shop. Thanks for watching.